Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is a makeup haul from BH Cosmetics, and I just received this the other day. So I figured I would share some of the products that I got. I think the majority of these, I'm not going to be swatching. I will show you them. Excuse me. A lot of these I purchased in mind for future giveaways. I will be doing my 500 subscriber giveaway is still active. So that one, and then I'm going to do a 750 subscriber and 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I bought a lot of these in mind to save for that because I got some great deals. The first product that I did buy, and this one I did buy for myself, and this is from BH Cosmetics. It's their Studio Pro, and this is the Ultimate Brow Palette. Just have been struggling with using a lot of the waxy type pencils, so I figured I would try powder, and I did open this and try it, and it is, it doesn't have a mirror, but it gives you all the colors. You know, I do have like a light brown hair, so these are all, you know, this here is like a creamy, almost like a waxy. So I don't know if you want that, and I believe this one is also, maybe, no, just these two. Nah, maybe just this one. I think this is a powder. That I guess if you wanted that waxy feel, or maybe to set your brows down, I haven't. I just tested it with my finger. I did try a few of the colors just to see which one best matched, and like I said, I do think that these will work out better for me, so I picked that up for myself. And then the next item that I picked up to include in a future giveaway, the glare, normally I film at night, I'm filming during the day, so they're a lot of sun coming in. It's a beautiful Saturday here in Pennsylvania. And this is the Royal Affair, and this is the 10-piece metallized brush set. And let's open these, and I can show you what they look like. I'm not going to unpackage them or handle them in any way, this way that they stay nicely packaged. So there's, like I said, I think it's 10, right? 10-piece. Yeah, 10-piece. So these are really nice, and it comes with the silica in it so that there's no moisture issues. And like I said, I'm not going to open them. They feel like they have some weight to them, but not super weighty. And I'll show you, I don't know if this is going to come up because of the glare. I'm just trying to see if we'll get a focus because of the glare. I just don't think so. So I will tell you, in here, there is a tapered powder brush, a large chiseled contour brush, a large flat top buffing brush, an angled blush brush, large crease blending brush, a tapered crease blending brush, a detailed crease blending brush, a tapered concealer brush, a flat shader brush, and an angled liner brush. So I thought these were really, really adorable, and I love just the, you know, the coloring of the handles. It's really cute. So that will be included in a future giveaway. And I will save these for last. We'll do this one next. And this is, you know, these are all from BH Cosmetics, and this is the Marble Collection, and this is the Warm Stone. And this is 12 pans. So we'll just open this, and obviously I'm not going to swatch anything, but just so you can see the coloring. And I do have a large order coming in from Hush because they were going out of business, so I believe. So here, I'll cover up the mirror so we don't get any blinding. So these are the colors. There are some mattes. These four are mattes, matte, and the rest are, I believe, shimmers. But these are really pretty, you know, browns and different shades of browns and a little pink tone and a copper. You know, some nice shades for your crease and then for others. And I didn't know if maybe if it told you. Yes, it's just 12, but I love the case. It's a marbleized case. It's really, you know, it's the hard plastic, so that's really pretty. So I figured that somebody could enjoy that. This one I ordered, and this is the Moroccan Sunset, and this is 16 color shadow palette here. And this is just in a case. And this is what it looks like, the palette. And this also has a mirror. And let's just remove this so that you don't get a glare. And these are a little smaller, but still, you know, very, very pretty colors. Especially with, you know, spring and summer. And you can even use a lot of these in the fall also. I think a lot of people will get some good use out of that. I like those colors also. Let's get that back. And this, with my order, I received for free. And this is the Midnight City. And this is their 16 color shadow palette. Right here. If I could just get it out. And this is what the packaging looks like. Beautiful, another mirror. So let's just remove this. So these are, you know, vibrant blues and browns and coppers, and just, you know, I think that bottom left here is like a teal, like a deep blue teal. I mean, very, very beautiful colors. You know, not massive size pans, but enough that you can get your, you know, your shadow brushes in. I thought that was very lovely. And that was a free gift, so I will include that in a future giveaway also. And that, like I said, that's the reason why I'm not swatching or wanting to touch any of these, just because I'm going to be giving them away. And these are little, I think they're six palettes, 6 color palettes. And this is the Dual Effect Universal To Go. And this is what this looks like. So just 6 shades. I won't even open this so that, and it comes with one of these little, you know, foamy type applicators that are generally no good, but it comes with it. So that's that one. And I will include, you know, I'll probably split a lot of this stuff up because like I said, I do have a lot coming from Hush. So, you know, I have 6 of these, so I'll split 3 and 3 for the next 2 giveaways. And this is the 6th edition second tray to go. Once again, 6 colors. And these are a lot of shimmers, I noticed. So these are a lot of the shimmer shades. You know, some greens and coppers, browns. A lot of these were universal that I think would go with most skin tones. And this is the Urban Luxe Cool To Go. Excuse me, still getting over a cold. Just does not want to leave me. And this one was vibrant with your pinks and I believe that's like a purpley pink. Very, very pretty. Someone will have fun with that one. The next one is the Urban Luxe Warm To Go. I think the other one, yeah, was last one was Cool To Go. This is warm. And these are all your warm shades. And I thought they were really cute. So they will be part of a giveaway. And the next one is the Modern Neutrals To Go. Obviously, so this, I haven't even opened these to look at these yet. I'm sure these are all be neutral tones. Yes. So, you know, you have blue, a green, some browns. Really, really pretty. And these would be great to take away, you know, if you're going away, keep in your, you know, handbag. Easy to keep in your makeup bag. And this is the Foil Eyes Cool To Go. I wish they would have had the Foil Eyes Warm To Go, but I don't believe they did. And this is really pretty. A lot of, you know, purples and blues. I think this, like this is almost like a, those top 2 are grays. So that would make a beautiful eye look, gray and purple. So Modern Neutrals, foil. Yeah, I don't think there's any other foil. Yeah. So that is, as far as makeup goes, that I got, and a couple items that I got also for myself is I got these makeup holders right here, and these are slanted, right here slanted. And these are beautiful. I mean, they're marble all the way around, well constructed with the BH Cosmetics, and inside is your felt. So I ordered 2 of the marble, and the other one's right here. So I have my bigger brushes in this one. And I had ordered a black one, and they didn't include it in the box, so they're going to reship it to me. So I ordered these 2 and 1 black one so that I can take all those brushes out of the cup. I might actually wind up getting another black one just because I don't think all those brushes are going to fit in. They hold quite a few brushes, but not as many as I initially thought they would hold. They are the smaller with, you know, diameter brushes, so I think I can fit a lot more in, but I think I might need to actually get another one. I just wish they don't have any more of the marble, so I might either wait until the marble comes back in stock and just get 2 marble, and then I can keep the black one, like, physically in my bathroom with brushes that I've used that need to be cleaned, because the black, then you won't necessarily see all the, you know, makeup get on it, but for, you know, just for, where I store them, I do really like the marble ones. So that is everything that I got from BH Cosmetics. And like I said, a lot of the products that you saw will be in future giveaways, so keep an eye out for them. And that is today's video. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment on what you think about some of these products, and most importantly, subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.